cylinders and prisms are the same thing. A cylinder is a prism that has a base of a circle. A prism is a cylinder that has a base instead of a polygon. Okay? They both follow the same formula, V is equal to BH. We use capital letters, and in this case, this is a volume which is 3D, and this is an area which is 2D. Thus, it uses capital letters. H over here, that's one-dimensional. And we typically think of that as lowercase. Now, the volume of a cylinder, volume of a prism. How do we do it? For cylinders, simply look at finding the volume of the base. In this case, I have this is my base and this is my base. Either one is my base. So I've got R is equal to 19, H is equal to 36. I want to find the base first. And then I want to find V. Okay. So my first thing is B is equal to, now in this case, it would be pi times my radius squared. Okay. So pi times 19 squared is 361 pi. Now, 361 pi is an exact value. If I were to approximate that, I would say it's about 1134.11. Depending on the type of question that you're looking for, either one of these is acceptable. How do I then turn that into volume? Volume is equal to base times height. So I can substitute with 361 pi times my height of 36. So 361 times 36 is 12,996 pi, or approximately 40,828.14. Okay. Now, no dimensions were given. If the dimensions were given, it could be centimeters, inches, whatever. Our volume is always cubic. So these would be cubic units. Okay. For example, cubic centimeters, cubic inches, cubic feet, etc. Let's look at a different approach. We have a volume of a prism. Now, this is a regular hexagon. So the first thing we need to do is kind of examine the prism. Now, this is a prism. Regular hexagon means that we have a general formula for area of a regular hexagon, which is 1/2 apothem perimeter. A and P are lowercase, B is uppercase. So my apothem here is drawn. That's the distance from the center of the prism, of the base, to the side, and it's given to me as 6.9 units. Okay, so 1/2 times 6.9. Now my perimeter, the side length is 8, so that means that I have to multiply that by 6 to get a perimeter of 48. So I'm going to put 48 up in here in my parentheses in my expression. So 1/2 times 6.9 times 48 gives me a value of 165.6. Okay. So my area of the base is 165.6. Couple that with my height here. V is equal to BH, which in this case is simply 165.6 times 7.5, which comes out to 1,242. Okay, and again, that's units cubed. Thank you much.